Or the baby.
It's movies. What up, girl?
The baby's born.
Yes, sirree.
You called everything else a guy.
Sirree.
Oh, look at you.
Sirree.
Wow.
It smells kitty zone.
I'm impressed, Uncle.
Is this a good thing?
Yes. She probably tastes the salt from this way.
There's a good picture of one. See if you can get a horse in a cola before it moves. Okay.
I assume the mother is this right here is the mother.
Yes.
Huh? What?
Get a picture of Dan and the horse. The horse is loving on Dan.
It's important to know to see that the horse likes to meet you.
Aww. They're gonna be jealous when they say it.
Let me just warn you that animals just like to be petted. There's no compassion or anything,
Well,
Nothing
she
personal
starts,
at all.
nothing whatsoever. You think they are all lovey-dovey and they write a real pretty story, but no.
Yeah, my arm actually, the reason why she was licking on my arm was because
Salt,
Hey, look back
she
over
thinks
here.
I'm a salt lick.
absolutely. You're just a big old straight-up stick of salt. That's it.
Hey.
And don't think that you're establishing any kind of relationship at all,
That's exactly right.
man to horse or anything like that.
I'm not
Looks like
a,
you want.
Hey, bud. What up? What up, Judge?
what you got in the pocket?
Yeah, seriously.
I don't think anything. What up? Hey. Hey, what up? That's, yeah, some Coke. You want some Coke?
He's never done that with anybody before.
You want some Coke?
Watch him switch his towel around.
You want some Coke? Hmm? See, I'm talking like I'm talking to a baby. It don't work. Yes, sirree.
He's a bold little guy. He doesn't hang out with his
Do not
mom so
step on my
close.
foot.
Come here. Come here. Hey, it's okay.
Yeah, you're gonna be wearing one of those someday.
And the name of that horse is what?
Derby.
Derby? Well, that makes sense, right?
He was born in the Kentucky Derby.
I got you.
Hi. Okay, he's never done that to me before. That was precious.
She knows she's on camera is what it is.
No, usually he's camera shy. He.
Whatever.
You're on camera, Jonathan. You walked right in front of the camera.
What? Oh, I did. Were you taking a movie?
I'm taking a picture. Are you taking a movie?
Absolutely.
I'll shut up then.
I don't take pictures anymore.
This is a dirty horse. This horse
Oh,
needs
yeah,
to be
that's
washed.
mine.
This horse,
Yes.
just,
Don't talk about dirt around Karen. She'll go get some soap or something.
Oh, I took my car to the car dealership yesterday, and people were gonna get in and work on it, so I put a sheet over the driver's seat, and I put something in the floor for them. One said, "Why do you do that?" I said, "Well, because I don't particularly want to sit in the seat with grease on it with my dress clothes on going to work."
yeah, most of the time when I'm taking my vehicle to the, you smell grease and stuff, and you don't have anything. Is that pedal?
You think so?
Man, he's never been this open with people before.
Growing up.
Mm-hmm.
You have a good crowd then.
What?
You have a good crowd of people.
Oh, don't do that. Silly boy.
Try to come around you.
Get a close-up of you.
Oh, thanks.
Give me a horse. There you go.
Nope, that's falling.
See that
I hear him slurping. It's so funny.
horse likes that. Horse likes to hear people act stupid around other horses. There you are. Get
No
a close-up.
close-ups, please.
Why?
No.
Too late.
No.
Okay, that's right.
She's very content right now.
Is that a bad thing?
No.
Here comes
Hear him
Jim.
slurping.
Comes digging.
Oh boy.
Where did
Sir talks a lot in the troop.
Beauregard go? What's the name?
What?
Beauregard, what's the name of the horse?
Dog,
Oh, he
Barley.
went
Barley.
there. He went like
barley
that.
and dirt,
They got an apple.
Barley and
Greta.